Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix WASD keys function as arrow keys in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So if you have faced an error where your W key function as this top arrow key and your A key function as your left arrow key and your S key function as the bottom arrow key and your D key function as the right arrow key, then this video I'll teach you how to fix that. Okay? So firstly, you need to press function key and W key together, and in that way you would be able to fix the problem. Again, press function key and W key together, and in that way you would be able to fix the problem. Okay? So let's check if it's being fixed. So navigate to the bottom search bar, try to type for notepad. Once you've typed it, wait until a best match would appear, and once it's here, please click on open to continue. So from here, you would be able to bring up this small window, try to type for WASD, and now it's being fixed. It's not functioning as the arrow keys anymore. Okay, so by that, you can now close this one and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Don't forget also to leave a comment at the comment section below if you have succeeded on fixing your problem, which is your WASD keys function as your arrow key in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So thank you for watching this video and have a good day, everyone.